Packaging engineering, like several of the XD functions, support Lexmark and OEM products from a conceptual stage through end of life. The team is responsible to design, test, and implement Lexmark and OEM package designs. Lexmark has a fully equipped packaging lab in both Lexington and Cebu to fabricate most package concepts and run a full breadth of industry best practice testing. The Lexington lab is both ISTA and Amazon APAS certified. Through all phases of the product lifecycle, the packaging engineers work closely with R&D to facilitate product robustness. A more robust product reduces the need for packaging, which is good from a cost, logistics, and sustainability standpoint. The packaging lab houses equipment that is used to understand a component, assembly, or complete product's fragility. Understanding how and where a product may fail facilitates product design, iteration, and improvement, which ultimately affects the package design. Designing packaging with the proper protection level will ensure the product moves safely through the rigors of a global supply chain. Once packaging is designed, the lab is used to validate the packaging's effectiveness through the required performance testing, most notably vibration and drop test. Here is a sneak peek at a few of the pieces of test equipment in action. Packaging costs are a large spend for the business, so the team's expertise in selecting appropriate packaging materials and assessing vendor capabilities makes their input to the supply chain organization critical. The team works hand in hand with global sourcing to ensure that the vendor base is qualified, competitive, and capable of supporting Lexmark manufacturing operations as well as our many contract manufacturers. Package design starts with understanding not only the product but the supply chain. This is especially true given Lexmark globally manufactures and distributes product. One might guess that package design starts with an individual package concept, but that's not entirely true. The design of the individual package actually revolves around the larger shipping vessel in which it will be shipped. The ideal situation is to provide just the right amount of protection to the product while maximizing the utilization of the overseas shipping container. The team considers not only the shipment of product from a single model per container basis, but also work to configure containers of mixed product. This is the ability to ship multiple families and/or products of varying type within one shipping container. Many years of combined experience enables the packaging team to excel in this regard, as well as ensure the delivery of smart package designs that facilitate downstream touch, customization, and device refurbishment efforts. The packaging team is passionate about ensuring that each design is in full alignment with the corporate Lexmark sustainability goals and that our footprint on the environment is minimized. The team monitors global trends and continually works to improve our contribution to the ever-changing legal and social pressures that surround the global sustainability movement. One way to achieve this mission is by choosing preferred materials and by reducing overall content. Packaging works closely with the sustainability team to communicate these achievements and set measurable goals for packaging improvements. The significant wins are highlighted in the CSR. A standard delivery for the packaging engineering team is to focus on cost reductions. This happens continually as the team works to iterate post-SOP product and package designs, and by working with material vendors to facilitate manufacturability. As a support team, the packaging team has a wide-reaching customer base for whom they design and deliver. Their expertise and organizational ties enable them to deliver the optimal design for the business by taking all input factors into consideration. The team continues to provide value as they strive to further improve products, processes, relationships, and end user satisfaction. The ability to provide cost-effective, protective packaging that facilitates ease of use, promotes brand image, and overall delights our customers is a core pillar that this team strives to deliver with each product. I hope the overview I've provided you today gives you some insight into the role of the packaging engineer and how this team contributes to the overall success of the business. Please feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or you'd like to explore a bit deeper. Thank you.